कोणताही माणूस एखाद्या उद्योग साम्राज्यापेक्षा मोठा नसतो हे खरं आहेच. पण तोच माणूस त्या साम्राज्याचा कर्ता करविता, पालक आणि प्रतिपाळक असतो हे तर 100% सत्य आहे.
As a student of the renowned Bal Mohan Vidya Mandir, located in Mumbai's cricket Makkah Shivaji Park, his growing years were full of camaraderie and communion. After completing his B.Tech in Metallurgical Engineering from the College of Engineering, Pune University, he was found grappling with the grim employment situation of those times, especially for a middle-class aspirant like him. One fine day, he chanced upon a Tata Steel advertisement for an R&D position. Before he knew it, his tryst with the Tatas had begun. Today, as the managing director of Tata Steel, he's come a long way and seen it all from the scarce business opportunities of the early 70s to the dynamic market scenario in today's information age. During his illustrious career, he has been conferred with several prestige awards such as the Tata Gold Medal 2004, SMS DMAG Excellence Award 2002, Steel 80s Award 1990, SAIL Gold Medal 1989, Vishveshwaraya Award 1988 and NMD Award 1987. The Maxwell Award for Excellence in Business Leadership goes to Mr. Hemant Nerurkar. 3 cheers for Mr. Hemant Nerurkar.
नमस्कार. मला हा पुरस्काराने सन्मानित केल्याबद्दल श्री मॅक्सेलचे श्री नितीन पोद्दार, ज्युरीज ऑफ द मॅक्सेल फाउंडेशन अँड ॲडवायझरी बोर्ड, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर यांचे सर्वांचे आभार.